The Power of Curiosity, Fueling Creative Thinking. Title: The Power of Curiosity, Fueling Creative Thinking. Introduction. Curiosity is a uniquely human characteristic that drives us to seek knowledge, explore new ideas, and challenge the status quo. It is the spark that ignites creative thinking, leading to innovation, problem-solving, and personal growth. From childhood to adulthood, curiosity propels us forward, fueling our imagination and driving us to explore uncharted territories. In this article, we will delve into the power of curiosity and how it strengthens our creative thinking abilities. Curiosity and creative thinking. Curiosity can be defined as a strong desire to know or learn something. It involves being open-minded, inquisitive, and willing to question assumptions. When curiosity is combined with creative thinking, it unlocks limitless possibilities and allows us to see the world from different perspectives. Creative thinking is the ability to generate unique and valuable ideas, solutions, or perspectives. It involves thinking outside the box, embracing ambiguity, and being comfortable with uncertainty. Curiosity and creative thinking go hand in hand, as curiosity fuels the exploration of new ideas and creative thinking leads to innovative solutions. Fueling imagination. Curiosity fuels the imagination by stimulating our desire to explore the unknown and uncover hidden connections. When we are curious, we are more likely to engage in activities that promote imaginative thinking, such as reading, experimenting, and seeking new experiences. This process broadens our knowledge base and encourages us to think beyond the boundaries of conventional wisdom. As children, our curiosity leads us to ask endless questions and imagine countless possibilities. We embark on adventures with our imagination as our guide, transforming ordinary objects into extraordinary creations. Unfortunately, as we grow older, societal expectations and constraints often dampen our curiosity. However, by embracing curiosity, we can rekindle our imaginative spirit and tap into our creative potential. Promoting problem-solving skills. Curiosity expands our problem-solving skills by encouraging us to explore alternative approaches and challenge existing solutions. When confronted with a problem, a curious mind seeks to understand the root causes and considers unconventional perspectives. This mindset fosters innovation and allows us to develop unique solutions that may have otherwise been overlooked. Curiosity also enhances our ability to think critically. By questioning assumptions and seeking deeper understanding, we become more adept at analyzing complex situations and making informed decisions. This critical thinking skill is invaluable in both personal and professional settings, enabling us to solve complex problems, adapt to changing circumstances, and identify new opportunities. Nurturing growth and learning. Embracing curiosity leads to continual growth and learning. A curious mind is always hungry for knowledge, constantly seeking new information and experiences. This thirst for learning helps us develop and refine our skills, expand our horizons, and stay relevant in an ever-changing world. Curiosity also encourages resilience and a growth mindset. When faced with setbacks or failures, a curious individual sees them as opportunities for learning and growth. Instead of giving up, they ask themselves what lessons can be learned from the experience and seek alternative paths to success. Stimulating innovation and creativity. Innovation is the lifeblood of progress. Curiosity is the driving force behind innovation, inspiring us to question established norms and explore new possibilities. In a world where change is constant, curiosity is the key to staying ahead of the curve. Creativity, fueled by curiosity,